Have you ever wondered why you can't fold a simple piece of paper more than 7 times? It sounds like a myth, but there is real mathematics behind this physical limit. Every time you fold the paper, you double its thickness. 1 fold makes it 0.2 millimeters. 2 folds, 0.4. By 3 folds, the layers stack up rapidly. This is exponential growth in action. Thickness follows a powerful formula. T equals the original thickness times 2 to the power of n, where n is the number of folds. By the 7th fold, that thin sheet is over 12 millimeters thick, resembling a dense compressed brick. It is now 128 times thicker than when you started. At this point, the physical force required to bend the paper becomes immense. The internal tension and sheer bulk create resistance that even machines struggle to overcome. Ultimately, the limit isn't the paper, it's the staggering power of exponential growth. Even the simplest math can quickly exceed our physical reality.